And that's why we this so toxic. That's why now me I try clean this from what happened last year. Or what happened the here or the here or the here. Me I try clean this. Me don't want to stay in another muck no more. Me I create a new muck. You see that muck when me I create? It will create with God. It will create with a better future. It will create with people who believe in me now. It will create with a family. It will create with support. Where no matter what, if me wrong, tell me say me wrong. If me right, tell me say me right. You know how much people call me? From here go around with this something. 150 people call me. My phone no stop ringing. Me can't sleep in peace. 4 o'clock this morning, my mom called me. 4 o'clock in the morning. I wake up and be like, Jesus, mom, me can't sleep. She said to me, say, son, oh, me can't take it no more. I mean, my mother crying, but my mother when she cried, she kind of sound bad. I saw she saw when she cried, she kind of sound bad when she bawl. But she wake me out of my sleep and the first thing she greet me with, son, you can't manage it, the pressure high. They might beat you. And boy, me I tell you the truth. They say my mother call me, or me could think me could do a laugh. But me know say I have a serious situation, but me could laugh because my mother ball one way now, bro. Let me tell you some mother ball one way, mother ball like I can't take it. I can't take it. So I'm a laughing thing, but that's how my mother ball. And when she ball now, me I say, Jesus Christ, alright. Because really and truly, me never dare come address this today, you know. I either Sunday or tomorrow before my address this, you know. Because as you can see, me have things I deal with, you know. Me have a life where me I create for myself, you know. Me have bills where me I try to take care of, you know. Me have family where me I try make sure so them okay, you know. I wonder if you know, listen, Tash, you have a whole heap of free time, and you know why? Because you're still asleep and your father coach or your mother coach at Jamaica. Big 31-year-old woman like you. Me as, bro, look, you see me all of my things, me not even reach 23 yet.